In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the Airtable Rollup field. Airtable tutorial for beginners. Start by opening Airtable and going into an example base where you can safely practice. Once you are inside the base and looking at your table, go to the top area and click Share and Sync. This is where Airtable lets you connect data across bases and keep it updated automatically. From the menu, choose Sync Data to another base. You will see options on screen that guide you through what will be synced. Click through the highlighted prompts to continue and then select Sync Linked Tables. This is important because rollups depend on linked records. If your tables are not linked, Airtable has nothing to roll up. Next, choose the linked table you want to work with, in this case a table labeled Table 5. Continue clicking through the highlighted areas until you land back in the table view, then switch to the Notes field so you are working in the right place. Now you are going to create a lookup field first. Click where you can add or edit a field, click into the highlighted field name area, and type a clear name for this new field. Then, from the field type options, choose Lookup. For the linked record, select Table 5, then select Table 5 again when prompted to confirm the link you are using. After that, click Choose a Field and select Name. This tells Airtable which field you want to pull in from the linked table. Click Create Field to finish. Once the lookup is created, click into one of your records so you can see the lookup in action. Select the linked record shown and notice how the lookup displays the related name values. This confirms your link and lookup are working correctly. Now you are ready to create the rollup. Click to add another field and choose Rollup as the field type. Select Table 5 as the linked table and confirm Table 5 again if you are asked. Then click Choose a Field and select Name. In the Values area, keep the rollup expression as shown in your setup so Airtable knows how to combine the values. Finally, click Create Field. You should now see your rollup field populate based on the linked records. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.